Hello. So now we will discuss some questions. So previous year question and some important questions related to our chapter 11. Okay. So let us start with first question. So first question is evaluate limit x tends to 0 a power x minus b power x by x. So this is the question. We have to find limit x tends to 0 a power x minus b power x divided by x. So if you put x equal to 0 here, now we can see a power 0 is 1, b power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 by 0 form. This is 0 by 0 form. Okay. We can solve this question by L'Hospital also, but that will be more lengthier. So better we will apply. We know that limit x tends to a x power n. One more result we have. If limit is x tending to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is log a. Okay, that formula we will use here. So limit x tends to 0, a power x minus b power x by x can be written as limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 minus b power x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, this is minus 1, this is plus 1, that will get cancelled out. So like that we can resolve into two factors. So now we have limit x tends to 0, separate this, minus b power x minus 1 by x. Okay, so finally what we are getting, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x minus limit x tends to 0, b power x minus 1 by x, and this is what, log a, and this is what, log b. So this is log a minus log b, that will give log a by b. So answer is log a by b. By L'Hospital also we can solve this question, that we will do. So here we are using this formula. Okay, now we will solve this question by L'Hospital also. By L'Hospital, since this is 0 by 0 form, so we can apply this. What is the differentiation of a power x? A power x differentiation is a power x log a. What is differentiation of b power x? B power x log b, and this is 1. Differentiation of x is 1. Now we will put x equal to 0 here. So what we will get, a power 0 log a minus b power 0 log b. A power 0 is 1, so we will get log a here. Again here log b. Again we are getting what? Log a by b. So by L'Hospital also this question can be solved very easily. Okay. Next question. Next question is evaluate limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x square by 1 plus 3x square power is 1 by x square. Now if you put x equal to 0 in this function, what we are getting, 0 0, this is 1 by 1 1 power infinity. So this is 1 power infinity form. So what is the answer of this form? E power limit x tends to 0, 1 by x square. So 1 plus 5x square by 1 plus 3x square minus 1. This is the formula. So what we will get, limit x tends to 0, 1 by x square. So this is 1 plus 5x square minus 1 minus 3x square upon 1 plus 3x square. So limit x tends to 0, this is 1 by x square. 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled out, so this will become 2x square by 1 plus 3x square, and this square will get cancelled out. So what we are getting, e power limit x tends to 0, 2 by 1 plus 3x square. Now you can put value of x equal to 0 here also, then we will get e power 2 by 1, that is e square. So answer is e power 2. Next question, the value of limit x tends to a x sin a minus a sin x divided by x minus a. Now again this is 0 by 0 form, put x equal to a here, so you will get a sin a minus a sin a, that will give 0, again denominator is 0. So 0 by 0 form, here we can apply L'Hospital rule. So by L'Hospital rule, we have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So limit x tends to 0, what is the differentiation of x? 1, and differentiation of sin is sin only here. So we'll get 1 into sin a minus, this is a. So what will be the differentiation here? Sin x, differentiation of sin x will be what? Differentiation of sin x will be, so here four options are also there. So first option is given, so the options are not there. So differentiation of x is 1, sin a is constant. This is constant here, and differentiation of sin x is cos x, so minus a cos x. And differentiation of x is 1 minus 0. So what we are getting, x tends to 0, sin a minus a, sorry this is a, by 1. Now put x equal to a here, what we are getting, sin a minus a cos a. So this is our answer, sin a minus a cos a is our final answer. Next question is, if limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax plus bx square power is 2 by x equal to given e by 3, find value of a and b. We have to find the value of a and b, and this is given. So what given here, x tends to 0, 1 plus ax plus bx square power 2 by x is equal to 3 e power 3. So let us, this is the question. If you put x equal to 0 here, this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 2 by 0 infinity. So this is 1 power infinity form. So what is the answer of this form? Limit x tends to 0, 2 by x, 1 plus ax plus bx square minus 1. So what we are getting, x tends to 0, 2 by x, 1 minus 1 will get cancelled out. If we take x common here, we will get 1 plus bx. So this x will get cancelled. Now you can put x equal to 0 here. So what we are getting, e power 2a. So finally what we are getting, e power 2a, because this will become 0. And this value is given, e power 2a is equal to e power 3. So 2a is equal to 3, so a we are getting 3 by 2. Value of a we are getting what? 3 by 2, and b we can take any value. Okay, and b belongs to any real number. So value of a is 3 by 2 here, and b belongs to any real number. Okay. Next question. Question is, this is previous year question. Limit x tends to 0, sine of pi cos square x divided by x square. Four options are there, which are pi by 2, 1, pi and minus pi. So we have limit x tends to 0, sine of pi cos square x by x square. So we have, this is sine, suppose this is theta. Okay, so sine theta is equal to sine pi minus theta. So this thing we can write pi minus pi cos square x divided by x square. Why? Because sine theta is equal to sine pi minus theta. This complete is here theta. So this is sine pi minus theta. That will give same value. So what? Limit x tends to 0. Sine pi minus theta will become sine theta only. So this is what? Sine of pi 1 minus cos square x divided by x square. Now what we will do? Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. So this is what? Sin pi sin square x divided by x square. Okay. So what we will get at last? This is sin pi sin square x. So this can be written as sin square x sin x by x whole square into x square. So finally what we are getting? We can write it like this: sin pi sin square x divided by pi sin square x into pi sin square x divided by sin x. So this will become 1. So 1 into, and this will also become 1. So 1 into pi, that will give value pi. So option C is correct also. So these are some very important questions. Okay. So in next video we will discuss continuity. That is the next part of limit only. Okay. So thank you.